We'll guide you through how to use some fantastic tips and tricks in DaVinci Resolve to enhance your video editing experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer, and let's dive into some of the most useful features. One great trick is to use the cut page for quick edits. It's designed for speed and efficiency. You can easily trim clips, add transitions, and even adjust audio without switching tabs. Next, let's talk about color grading. Head over to the color page. Here you can use LUTs, lookup tables, to quickly apply a professional look to your footage. Just drag a LUT from the library onto your clip. You can also use the built-in color wheels to make precise adjustments to highlights, midtones, and shadows. Another handy tip is to use the timeline lock feature. If you're working on a complex project, locking your timeline prevents accidental changes. Just right-click on the Timeline tab and select Lock Timeline. Also, take advantage of the Snap tool, which makes aligning clips on the timeline much easier. Simply click the Snap button at the top of the timeline to enable it. Lastly, don't forget about the audio page for sound editing. Here you can adjust levels, add effects, and even use the built-in Fairlight FX for professional quality sound. Remember to save your work frequently by pressing Command+S on Mac or Control+S on Windows. With these tips, you'll be editing like a pro in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.